Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we'll be teaching you how to make fondant. I'm going with the egg recipe, also known as sugar paste. Now there are some tools you will need to make your fondant. These tools are your sieve, the small sieve and the big sieve. We have our smoother, that's what we use to smoothen the body of our fondant. You have your measurement spoons to measure your ingredients. You have your wheel cutter, this is to cut your fondant. Your brush to sweep out any excess icing sugar. This is your scraper to scrape your table in case the fondant sticks to the table. We have your scissors, very important to cut anything. Your sugar craft knife, we use this to trim edges and remove excess fondant. The modeling knife, also used to cut off a little part of fondant. And you have your rolling pins. You have the small rolling pin and the big rolling pin. This is the candle stick rolling pin. You can also use the wooden rolling pin, but you have to be careful that it's not dented so you don't have pattern. Now for the ingredients, we're working with 1 kg icing sugar. We're working with CMC. This is your CMC. Egg whites. Just break your egg, take out the whites and take out the yolk and use the white. We'll be using water and our glucose. So let's get started. So the first step is to sieve your icing sugar. So ensure your icing sugar is well sifted. It's very key because you don't want to have lumps in your fondant. Now once you're done with that, open your CMC and take out 2 tablespoons of CMC. That's your tablespoon. Can we see that here? 1 TBSP, yes, tablespoon. So we're using 2 of that. You sieve into your icing. Ensure it is lump free. I'm doing this so that the CMC can mix very well with our icing sugar. So once we're done with that, make a well at the center of your icing. When I say make a well, it means make hole at the center of the icing sugar. Now you pour in your 2 egg whites. Add 2 tablespoons of glucose. This is 2 tablespoonfuls of glucose. Now make sure you have water around. The water helps you push out your glucose. Okay, dip into water and scoop out 2 tablespoonfuls. Make sure you fill it up. You want to see this? Okay, fill that up. Push into your bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water. And then you take your flavor. I'm using a clear flavor like coconut flavor, almond flavor. They are very clear, so it's good to use them. So you just make a teaspoonful. The cap is 1 teaspoon, so you can just use that to measure. You set aside, and once you're done, the next thing you do is to knead. You want to knead that. Knead properly. Okay, so we want to knead your fondant properly. Can we see that? You knead it until it comes together. With this part of your hand, you knead. Now once it's coming together, you can put it on your work table. Take your scraper, scrape the bowl. Set your bowl aside. And now knead properly. So just like I said, this paper helps you scrape your icing sugar off your work table. And then you keep kneading until this will form a very nice ball paste. So as you can see, everything is gradually coming together. Okay, so once it's sticking to the table, all you need to do is sieve some corn flour. Now some people use sieve icing sugar. Some people use corn flour, that's why I said corn flour, but I prefer to use my icing sugar to knead so that it doesn't alter the taste as such. Okay, so there you have it. Let's shift this aside. Now if you have your fondant, if it tears, you've not kneaded enough. Okay, so let's keep kneading and we see the difference. This is how you know that your fondant is okay and ready. So how do you know your fondant is okay and ready for use? Now you can see my fondant, very smooth. This is how you know when you stretch your fondant, it stretches before it tears. That's how you know your fondant is ready. Okay, if it's not ready, it will just divide into to tear apart. But once it's ready, it stretches out like chewing gum. Yeah, so that's how you know your fondant is ready. You knead and roll into a beautiful ball. Now once you have done that into a ball, you take your cling film, that's the nylon that stretches, you wrap your fondant and set aside. What you're going to use immediately, you can just cover your fondant.